Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're talking about something super exciting. First thing, let me show you what I've gotten. I don't think I've been so excited about a launch in a very long time. And this is a new company launch. Not just a new product line launch, a new company launch, honey. Let me tell you about this. This right here, this golden ticket. Doll Hospital Cosmetics. Let's get right into it. So the first thing I want to tell you is thank you, Christina, you're amazing. By the way, Doll Hospital Cosmetics is a brand new cosmetics line. She right now has these amazing lipsticks. Let me pull them out of this package for you. Doll Hospital Cosmetics. Let me see if I got it right. There we go. What's going on there? That's all better. Okay, so she makes lipsticks right now. And I don't know, honestly, if she is planning on making anything other than lipsticks in the future. But for right now, she's got an entire line of matte cream lipsticks. She donates a portion of the proceeds to NAMI. NAMI is I think it's like the National Association for Mental Illnesses. It's a nonprofit organization that helps bring attention and awareness and support to people with mental illnesses of all types, mainly women. If any of you have been here with me for long, you know that I have a constant lifelong struggle with depression and anxiety. Now I'm lucky, I am extremely lucky that my issues are not as bad as some others that I know. And I'm extremely lucky that I've been able to ask for and receive the help that I need. And I have been able to overcome enough of my illness to know when I need help. That's a huge battle. So this is something that is near and dear to my heart, and I wanted to share it with you. So if you're interested, I will link all of her social media down below. I will link her website. I don't make any money on this, guys. These products, I believe they run $17 for a tube of lipstick, which is more than drugstore, but not as much as some higher end brands. I've been wearing these since I received them in the mail, and I want to share them with you. So stick tight. Let's get right into it. Okay, so I had to get these products ready. I have 5 shades. I want to let you know what they are. I'm going to show you some swatches of them. I will show you some real life swatches as well as some photographed swatches in just a few moments. So the shades that I received are People Pleaser, Control Issues, Board Certified, Out of Meds, and Painful. Now, something to note that all of her shade names have things to do with mental illnesses, whether they are symptoms, just feelings, the overwhelmingness of mental illness in itself. They're amazing, okay? And all of these shade names and all of these shades and this entire cosmetics line is trying to help destigmatize mental health, help to bring awareness to the ever-growing epidemic that is happening in our world and in our country today. So, enough. Let's get into the makeup because that's what you're here for. I want to show you this first shade. It is called Control Issues. Now, first, let's get into this. Look at these little tubes. The bullets look like pills. They say Doll Hospital Cosmetics on them. My camera's having a hard time focusing. These are shiny and they are plastic. They're lightweight. They don't feel expensive or luxurious even though they look it, to me, they look amazing. They are definitely a focal point on my desk. So let's take off this lipstick. I'm gonna swatch them all on my lips for you right now. Now they are a matte lipstick, so you want to make sure that your lips are prepped. Use a scrub, make sure they're moisturized. We are doing Control Issues. Look at this color. This looks almost black. It's not, y'all. It's not. Look at this. I'm going to swipe this right here. Look at that amazing berry tone. Now I have found with this one that it's extremely soft. I received my package when it was 100 degrees outside. It came in the mail. She did the best she could to send them to me. I noticed they were soft. I put them in the fridge for an hour, pulled them out. The rest of them are perfect. This one is still soft, and I don't know if it has something to do with the formula. Anyways, let's see what the shade looks like on. Excuse my not model-esque lips, but can you see this pigment? They are creamy, highly pigmented. Like, they're so lightweight that you almost forget that they're on your lips. Now, they are not a matte liquid lipstick formula. Obviously, they're a bullet, so they do transfer. However, for me, transferring is a huge negative because your girl's always drinking something. I'm constantly touching my face. So I hate when lipstick transfers. That's the biggest problem for me, is when lipstick transfers. And then, especially wearing a dark color like this, when it transfers, normally you have to go completely reapply it all the time, so you don't get that lovely spot where there's no lipstick anymore. I will tell you what is different about these and what changed my mind on that situation on these. I still hate that I have to wipe the lipstick off of my coffee cup and off of my Starbucks straw, off of my water cup. I still hate that. But these are almost like a stain. So even though they transfer and you can leave your little kisses all over the place, this lipstick, the color lasts on my lips for about 7 hours. Ugh, sorry, I was gonna sneeze. 7 hours, guys. 7 hours where the color still looks true and beautiful. And like it's a liquid lip, but it isn't drying out my lips because it's a cream matte formula. Let's move on to the next one. Again, that one was Control Issues. And we're good. Let's see what one we're gonna do next. Out of Meds. This one, I absolutely love this one. If you've been on my Instagram, you have seen this one. So let's check it out. It is a peachy nude, a little bit on the orange side. I think it's got like orange or a peach undertone to it. Again, amazing pigmentation. And again, my lips do not do these justice because your girl wishes she had some big old beautiful lips. But I'm stuck with normal people lips, y'all. Look at this color. Beautiful. Everyday nude. You could pair this with anything. The thing I like about it is I normally don't go for a peachy nude. I normally go for one that has kind of a mauve undertone to it. I don't know why, it's just where I'm drawn. But this one, it's not too peach, it's not too orange. Even though it looks it in the tube, when I got it, I was a little afraid. Let me go ahead and swatch this for you. Do you see that? It's beautiful. It's stunning. Like, it blew my mind. Once I actually put it on, once I seen it, it blew my mind. Blew my mind, like, gone. Next color we have is Painful. This almost matches my hair, y'all. Can you see that? Beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it so don't forget. It's a bright pinkish purple. Not too bright though. Let's go ahead and get it on. I'm a Barbie girl, y'all. This is Painful. I mean, not the experience or not the lipstick, but that's the color. What do you think? I am in love. And the good thing about these is I've noticed with the pigments, if I just want a little bit of color, I can apply just a little bit of pressure and I can get a lighter version of the color. More of like a wash of color rather than a fully opaque lip. So that's amazing. The versatility in just one tube of lipstick is fantastic. Now my lips are getting very red from putting on and taking off. We're just gonna even out all the other stuff. Okay, we have two more, guys. This next one is Board Certified. Now this is a brown. This is like a toffee brown, which normally is not in my color wheel. And I can't say that this one actually changed my mind. It does have an orange undertone. Not my color, but it might work for certain looks. We're gonna put it on anyway. So if you like a brown lip, you're probably gonna love this. The consistency and the formula, you guys, is like something I have never seen before. I love Jeffree Star's liquid lipstick formula, but I have to tell you, every liquid lipstick, the formula is not consistent. There are some that I absolutely love, and I would pick up the one right next to it and be like, girl, this formula is worse and I have to work harder to put it on. I have 5 of her shades and the formula is absolutely consistent. This one is Board Certified. Did I show you this one? Look at that. All 4 of those colors, absolutely beautiful. Excuse the amount of chaos that is there. But it is. So let me show you the last one that also happens to be my favorite. Some clean and spicy lips. This one is called People Pleaser. This is my favorite. It's a mauve pink nude. This is my go-to. I usually wear Urban Decay's Back Talk in their matte their matte lipstick formula. This color is equivalent to that. They are very, very similar, if not dupes, but this formula is so much better because Back Talk is so drying. And again, I have to put Back Talk on a couple of times during the day if I'm going to keep it on. People pleaser, y'all. People pleaser. This is my go-to everyday lip. As soon as I got it, as soon as I put it on my lips, I was like, new favorite. I'm getting ready to order a backup of this one, y'all. She launches next week. I was able to get these on pre-launch. Look, just look at the beauty that is right there in just 5 shades. Now she has a gray, she has a black, she has just about every color and under the sun that you could think of. I don't have enough words for how happy I am. Christina, thank you. Thank you for making this line. Thank you for doing so much to help out so many people. I will forever, for life, be a customer and consider you a friend. So thank you. And I am so ready for this launch. I'm getting my credit card ready because, girl, you know it's going to have to warm up. So again, check out the links below. Leave me a comment, leave me a like. Let me know any questions you have on this new product. I will happily pass along any information that I can. Again, you can't speak enough about amazing products that go to benefit amazing causes and that are made and distributed by an amazing human being. So click that like button, show some support, go over to our website, buy a lipstick. Even if it's not for you, buy it and give it to someone else. Make their day. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next video.